Days after massive unrest ousted Sheikh Hasina government in Bangladesh, Chief Justice Obaidul Hassan has decided to step down from his position after the student protests turned towards the Supreme Court demanding the resignation of all judges, including Hassan. The 65-year-old judge stepped down, Bangladeshi news media outlets reported. Hundreds of protesters reportedly surrounded the Supreme Court and issued an ultimatum to Chief Justice Obaidul Hassan and judges of the Appellate Division to resign. The Chief Justice revealed his decision after protesters of the anti-discrimination student movement gathered at the court premises. According to the reports, the Chief Justice left the building as tensions escalated. The protesters have threatened that they would besiege judges' residences if they fail to resign before the ultimatum. A huge mob, including students and lawyers, started gathering in the court premises, demanding resignation of the Chief Justice and the judges of the Appellate Division. The protests were sparked by a full court meeting called by Chief Justice Hassan, who is seen as a loyalist to ousted Premier Hasina, without consulting the newly formed interim government. The protesters alleged that the judges are part of a conspiracy, prompting outrage and demands for accountability. Amid the unrest, the Chief Justice postponed the full court meeting. However, the protesting students announced a siege of the court premises. In the face of student protest, Chief Justice Hassan not only postponed the meeting but also announced that he would step down. Bangladesh Army personnel were deployed at the Supreme Court premises as hundreds of protesting students gathered. The country was marred by massive protests over the controversial quota system that reserves 30% of the government jobs for the families of veterans who fought the 1971 Liberation War.